The World Bank has distanced itself from being the driving force behind Zimbabwe's new currency, the Zimbabwe gold. The giant financial institution says it has no input whatsoever in what the Zimbabwe is doing with its new currency revolution. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panapa achitaurwa neWorld Bank. Saka mina mashoko azvizere kuti bva subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Saka unonyora chiti Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe Governor Dr. John Mushiavano, at the launch of the new currency Zimbabwe Gold, ZiG said, "We did not know much about the structured currency. We got a consultant from the World Bank. A lot of the things you are seeing about the structured currency actually came from the World Bank." So if you are going to blame me, you're actually blaming the World Bank. Maybe they did not advise us properly, and if they did not advise us properly, it is fine. Let's refine it, he added. Why did the Reserve Bank Governor Mushiavano lie to the people of Zimbabwe that the World Bank was in this ZiG scam? Your guess is as good as ours. Saka ndo mashoko ari kubuditswa panapa Africa Beauty rwendo achiti aiwa sei John Mushiavano akanyepera vanhu kuti aiwa isu ine handina much information about the structured currency but initiative yeWorld Bank, asi World Bank yabva yakamudhamba ikamusiya kati aiwa usarevera vanhu nhema, isu tangokupai maidea. Saka muri Zimbabwe mutudzai mafungiro enyu pamusoro penhau iyi. Abva nekucomment section wedu, saka unosubscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.